To be an investor and to trade is totally two different things. Many people and crypto guys basically most of the times do not know who they are and what they do. Investment most of the times means long-term game. And it should be. So, why Cardano is the best crypto investment asset on the market? Well, it is like always in every business about people. And in this case about Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson. Charles is a unique person who really cares about crypto space and Cardano. Most importantly, he doesn't care about short-term ups and downs, but only to make Cardano successful in the long run. He is a professional as a crypto developer and really has a sense of responsibility about what is going in the crypto market and infrastructure. Not so many guys in crypto developers speaks about how to make all crypto infrastructure much effective. That is why Charles, for many Cardano investors, is a person of trust in a very professional way. And it is not only about founder, but also about Cardano from technological perspective. Let's talk about Charles in another episode, but today about Cardano itself.
Also noted that the cycle
Two main reasons to buy Cardano.
Hoskinson added that the
Cardano has advantages over its peers.
Likely mirror market events
like most asset classes, cryptocurrency prices tend to move in tandem with each other in the near term. They are all influenced by the same macroeconomic factors like inflation and Federal Reserve policy, which impacts investor risk tolerance and the amount of capital available to put in the market. However, over the long term, some assets dramatically outclass their peers, soaring over 3,000% from its 2017 launch to become the seventh largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $18.4 billion. Cardano is one of the industry's top performers, and this trend is likely due to its technical advantages and effective branding. Unlike the current market leader, Bitcoin, Cardano is programmable.
It's just an example.
On top of serving as a way to store and transmit value, it also allows users to create self-executing programs called decentralized applications, dApps, which offer services such as asset exchanges and art markets on the network. And while dApp platforms are not uncommon, Cardano's team sets itself apart through real-world partnerships such as a 2021 deal with the government of Ethiopia to create a blockchain-based national ID system. The platform's aggressive development roadmap is also a massive edge. The Vasil update could help cement Cardano's lead. Cardano's developer, Input-Output Hong Kong, IOHK, has taken a phased approach to the platform's development. Instead of rushing to lead the market, the platform upgrades itself gradually through a series of eras. The first three eras, Byron, Shelley, and Godwin, launched Cardano, implemented its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, and enabled dApps. The current era, Basho, focuses on scalability. As part of the Basho era, Cardano plans to launch a hard fork called Vasil. Hard forks are drastic changes on a blockchain that require it to split into two separate chains because it is no longer backward compatible. Vasil aims to improve Cardano by reducing the cost of transactions by lowering their size. The change was scheduled to go live in June, but has been delayed for additional testing. When it goes live, Vasil will be the latest in a series of ongoing updates that will help keep Cardano relevant in the face of stiff competition. Over the longer term, Cardano's developers are looking at another update called Hydra, which could theoretically boost the blockchain's transaction capacity from 250 per second to 1 million. But the team stresses that this is an aspirational target, not a firm projection. Betting on the crypto rebound. Sometimes it pays to be greedy when others are fearful. And with the cryptocurrency market down by almost half this year, fear is the dominant emotional right now. While investors may want to wait for more positive macroeconomic data before jumping back into the market, Cardano looks like a great way to bet on a crypto rebound because of its technical advantages and active development. So, as we mentioned, we will take a closer look to Charles Hoskinson and his biography in the next episode. See you later, guys.